In this video, I'm going to show you how to set your timeout preference for your Treehouse account. So what you're going to do first is go to your dashboard and navigate to the top right corner under the drop-down of your name. You're going to click on the settings option, which will bring you into your full settings menu. We can go ahead and expand that left-hand sidebar and go right down to the bottom to preferences. This is where we will be able to set our session timeout in minutes. And what this means is that you will automatically be logged out after the set amount of minutes that you input of inactivity. This will be applied to all clinic members, including clients. Once you change the timeout session, you will need to log out for the changes to take effect. So for example, if you want to select 30 minutes, it will adjust it here and you will be logged out after 30 minutes of inactivity on your Treehouse account. This is just for an extra layer of security and privacy for your Treehouse account. You are able to select however long you wish, but we do recommend a maximum of 60 minutes. And that is how you go ahead and select your timeout preferences for your Treehouse account.